And top of the morning to you today. 10 o'clock in the morning, the sun's hot. I'm in the shade at the back of my house. Anyway, this video is the final video of Roda. Roda in the evening, and then plus a few places on the end where I missed out. I got a bit knackered. So I hope you enjoy it. And don't forget, if you want to comment, please comment. If you want to click on an advert, you don't have to buy nothing. But I get 0.00000000001p every time someone clicks on an advert. And don't forget the pussycats if you've got any coins left in your pockets. So this is part 2 of the Roda film I made earlier this month. Nice to talk to you again. Be happy. Bye. Just a couple of restaurants I missed out on my last video. Up in the back street past the Arms, Sandy's Arms. Nikos Family Restaurant, it's quite busy in there.
Get them guys. Watch this.
Oh, would I not suggest getting it beautiful?
Hi! Busy, busy, busy. Alexandra's quite busy. Seaport quite busy. Crazy Folks not so busy. Harbour Bar. This is Chris.
Alan is the best YouTube video ever.
I'm not paying you for that.
I'll have a drink.
You're on, my son, and are you two enjoying your holiday?
Absolutely amazing. We love Roda. We could recommend it to everyone.
Won't go anywhere else.
We don't even want to go home, Alan.
Well, I'm going home now.
Oscars, you've got to come to Oscars. Best place in Roda.
Well, I keep telling everybody, you know, they don't listen.
Love this place. Jess, Vangeli is the main man. Vangeli is amazing. Spiros, Nikos.
And Jessica, of course.
Obviously. Jessica wearing a Bolton shirt was amazing.
And this is Gary and Nicola.
Nicky,
Oh, it's close, darling. I've not had a drink yet. Come on. Enjoying yourself?
Very much so, and watching a lot of your videos, a lot of your recipes too.
Oh yeah, I like my recipes. A little bit of cooking now and again. Anyway, enjoy your holiday.
We are enjoying it very much.
And I'll see you on the video. Plus a few places on the end where I missed out. Well, I'm up by the traffic lights. There's a new restaurant opening on the corner here, next to the tourist shop. Also up by the traffic lights you can rent bicycles and motorcycles from Sunriders. They have a good reputation, been in business many years. This is the Drosseria Taverna. Been here donkey's years, open all the year round. Really good food at a fairly reasonable price. I've been here many times. It's the Red Chili Indian restaurant. Really good food in there. A medical services place. Word of advice. They're very useful, but they only use them if you have travel insurance. And don't forget, you have to pay first and claim the money later. Another little restaurant over the road there. Don't know much about it, never noticed it before. We've even got a Mexican restaurant over there. Nice bakery opposite Oscar's. Going for coffee and a Greek sausage roll. Quiet and nice and quiet today. I think everybody's on the blasted beach. And why not? You're on holiday. Another coffee house. I'm past Oscar's on the way up to back up to the traffic lights. And this is on the right, it's a new one. This is Theodora's Hotel, Bar and Diner. It's a really nice place. Please remember, most of these big hotels look really nice. You can use the swimming pools and the sunbeds for free, providing you buy a drink. The only ones where you might have problems are all-inclusive. I'm on the small road at the back of Roda, where the traffic lights are, turn immediate right. Well, I've come through the high street and I'm now at the, I think it's called the Boat Bar. Soon find out. Very nice bar, plenty of nice seating. I don't know how expensive. One thing Roda has got is loads and loads of mini markets. So even 7 days a week on bank holidays and public holidays you can get food if you're arriving at funny hours. Another tourist shop and a bar, cafe. This is where you can rent boats. Bloody expensive though. Okay, this is the Coral Apartments and Restaurant. It's actually very good. I've heard good reports about it. I've never eaten there myself. Very peaceful spot round here. Actually, this bar is called the Boat House. Very peaceful, very restful. And last but not least, we'll come to the Mediterranean shop. If you want all your English niceties and goodies, you turn up this road after driving along the seafront from Roda or walking, or you can drive along the top road and come down road number 1. All your nice English things that you miss. Bacon, baked beans, you name it. Mediterranean shop.
Cheers.